Today I will be drawing a super simple waterfall. Come on, let's get started. I will draw some sections for the top and the bottom of the mountain or rocks. Now the waterfall. Some crooked lines for these big rocks. Then the river bank. Now some random bushes. And we are done with the basic sketching. Taking a nice blue color for the waterfall. Next, the bushes. And rocks. Then a light blue for the sky, muddy sides of the river, and light green for grass. We'll blend the sky very lightly with white. We'll draw some clouds too. Then very little shading for the rocks. Blending with white here too to give a nice texture. Comes a waterfall. To give that water falling from top feel, I will just make some wavy lines like this. There, nice and simple. A cloud look at the bottom of the waterfall. And some wavy lines here too. Then some shading for the grass, white and dark green. And now dark brown for the riverside. How about adding some colors to this picture? Some rows of colorful bushes. We'll start highlighting with black. Continuing the same with clouds and rest of the objects. For the waterfall, I will use white to highlight. That should make it look more bright. Some splish splash of water. And a final touch up with white again. Then I erase the extra pencil marks and we are done. Did you like it? Let me know in the comments below. Well, I hope you had fun watching this video as much fun I had making it. Do check out my other fun videos. Please also subscribe to my channel. That would surely encourage me to make more such videos. Give a thumbs up if you liked the video and don't forget to comment. Have a great day and thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bye-bye.